Hey y'all, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I will be achieving medium-sized box braids on my brother's hair. Those are the products that you will need: some grease and a comb. Next, as you guys see me doing, I'm splitting his hair up in the middle, and I'm just going to go over it with some edge control just to make sure that the braids are crisp. Alright, so now that I'm done with the first row, I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I'm going in with some edge control. I am putting it on the parts as you guys see me doing that, and then I'm combing it in. This is to make sure that the start of the braid is going to be neat. Towards the end of the braid, I'm going to put mousse in the hair just to make sure that the hair is moisturized, and then when I do my finger coil at the end, it will, you know, coil very smooth. Alright, so now that half of the hair is done, this is how it's looking. Very neat. It is not tight. The hair is moisturized, and I know y'all seen those coils. So I'm going to repeat the same exact thing on the opposite side. Go in with my edge control. Then I'm going to go in with my comb it in, braid, put my mousse at the end, and that is all. Alright, so y'all, I'm working on the opposite side of his head. I'm just showing you guys a different angle and a closer view. All I'm doing is just parting. I already put my edge control, and then I'll go in with some more if needed, just to make sure that it is extra crisp. And then I'm just going to braid, and then you guys will see. This is a up close for those of y'all who do not know how to braid. Hopefully this video can help you, and you guys can like pause it or slow-mo the video so you guys can see how to actually braid the hair. All right, so now that I'm done with the hair, I'm just going in with some grease and I'm just greasing his scalp. He rathers grease than oil, but that is okay. You guys can go in with some oil and put that on your ends. You guys see me going in each part to make sure that each part is moisturized, and then you guys will see me go in with the mousse.
All right, y'all, so this is the finished product. I greased his scalp. Now I'm going in with some mousse. I'm just going to put it on his braids to lay the flyaways down, and it's gonna last. How your hair feel? Is it tight?
Chilling.
Chilling. And as y'all can see, his ends are curled because I did coil them, but they will relax, and he about to tie it with the do-rag. And that is it. He wanted them to like fall in his face, so that's why I braided like the front that way and then the sides. So that is it, y'all. Please make sure y'all go check out my TikTok if y'all have not seen my TikTok account. It is Mesha Curlz on TikTok. Yeah, show do Mesha Curlz on TikTok. And yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all later.